Okay, welcome to our conversation. Very quickly, I'm going to share with you what is that I'm going to share today in the class. As you guys know, I do teach human-centered design thinking to MBA students. In today's class, I will be sharing the fifth stage of human-centered design thinking. By now, we covered all the four stages, as the first stage happens to be empathy, where you try to understand the user. The second stage happens to be define, where you are trying to define the problem which you are planning to solve. The third stage happens to be ideate, where you are trying to come up with more and more ideas to solve that problem. So likewise, the fourth stage, like once you have an idea, you have to create a prototype to test your idea. So in a fourth stage, you're creating prototypes. Generally, I say prototypes are the tangible ideas. Ideas are intangible, like they are thoughts, they are in a sentence you can say, you can write ideas. But when you make a prototype, it becomes a tangible idea. People can touch and feel your idea, okay? The fifth stage, which is testing your idea. So that's where testing comes into play. Now, in testing, also, I'm going to share with you three techniques. Of course, there are several techniques. For today's discussion, I will be sharing these three techniques, which are good enough for you guys to carry out your human-centered innovation exercise. You see, the first technique, which I'm talking about, usability testing. The second one, I'm talking about A/B testing. The third one, I'm talking about focus group testing. Of course, each one have their own benefits, and you can pick and choose according to what kind of testing you're doing it. For example, if you're testing a website functionality, if you're testing app, so usability testing works fantastically. If you're testing a digital banner or advertisements, or you want to test your thumbnail, okay, YouTube thumbnail, the A/B testing works best. So if you're testing a campaign, advertisement campaign, or a product for that matter, the focus group techniques works best. So you pick and choose these testing methods and techniques according to your nature of test you're doing and the task at your hand. So that's how you select these techniques and you test the thing. So that's what we're going to discuss in deep in our today's class. Before I conclude our discussion, I just want to show you one hint of it, A/B testing. A/B testing, literally it means which one you like, whether do you like A or a B. Like in this case, we did thumbnail A/B testing. If you see there's option A and option B, we showed it to 100 people and we understood which is liked most. The B showed that more number of people liking that thumbnail versus A, so that means a clear winner is a B. There are reasons why B is winning. We're not discussing about it, but this test is all about understanding which options work best so that we can implement that option. Likewise, here is an advertisement. You can see that both of these advertisements, image and colors are the same. Even the positioning of headline is exact same, but the text, the content of the headline changes. And then we tested which one is liked more compared to the other. We tested the whichever one liked more, we're going to release that advertisement, okay? So like that, A/B testing works, and A/B testing is a quantitative testing, and it clearly tells which is the winning, and then we promote that or we put that in the final use. So that's it for today's conversation. I will be making a detailed video in the evening. You guys can go through that video to understand this particular stage of human-centered design thinking. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the evening.